Here's how to fix being connected to Wi-Fi but having no internet access. First, turn Wi-Fi off on your device. Wait about 5 seconds, then turn it back on. In many cases, reconnecting to the network is enough to restore your internet connection. If that doesn't work, click the Apple menu and open System Settings or System Preferences, then select Network. Here, click on the 3 dots and make sure location is set to automatic. Now, choose Wi-Fi from the list and make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on and connected to the correct network. Next, open the details of your Wi-Fi connection. Enable Automatically Join this network so your Mac reconnects automatically in the future. Also, go to the DNS tab. If there are any existing DNS servers listed, remove them by selecting each one and clicking the minus button. Now click the plus button and add the following Google DNS servers: 8.8.8.8, 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save the changes. Once the new DNS settings have been applied, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and check your internet connection again. That's all for this video. Thanks.